baguhan pa lang dito. What's up mga bossing? Baguhan pa lang. Baguhan pa lang. Practice lang ba? Thank you. Nandiyan na mga boss, baguhan pa lang kasi sa pagla-live stream ba. Salamat sa support. Love you, thank you. Salamat po, salamat.
Your team is banning. Your team is banning.
Nandiyan na, inaaral ko pa lang po, inaayos ko yung audio.
Please pick a hero. I've been waiting.
Salamat po sa support mga idol. Salamat.
Sir, what's your command?
Time to take the field.
Your team is picking.
Do you want to make friends with Nana?
All at once.
The enemy is picking.
Salamat po, salamat.
Love outshines the golden crown.
good
Your team is picking.
Pasensya na mga boss ha, baguhan pa lang po kasi.
Fight for the ultimate and enemy is picking.
Shoutout sa inyo mga bossing, shoutout, shoutout. Yung kay ma'am na nag-send ng coins, salamat po, salamat. Di ko kasi mabasa yung pangalan niya. Miumi? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss. Lalo kay Yoshi, yung mga bagong dating. Maiksi pa kasi yung cable ng ano natin, mic.
Can you hear, can you hear, can you hear my voice? Coming through, coming through.
Shoutout sa inyo mga boss.
Mobile Legends. I'm floating through outer space.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Hindi ko alam mag-best kasi baguhan pa lang, pasensya na, pasensya na.
Faster and faster.
Request backup! First blood!
It's okay. Just wait soon.
Initiate retreat! Good game!
Keep up the rhythm.
It's so dark.
Good game! Request backup!
One strike, one skill.
Double kill!
Speed, precision, and strength.
Good game! An enemy has been slain!
To be or not to be.
Pantigan na yun.
An enemy has been slain!
Ano, pain-pain lang.
Speed, precision, and strength.
An enemy has been slain! Ally has been slain! An enemy has been slain!
Faster and faster.
An enemy has been slain!
One strike, one skill.
Sayang yun ah.
Slain the turtle! Request backup!
Kagi, dalawa sila sa taas.
Keep up the rhythm.
Request backup!
Bawian natin yun, bawian natin.
An enemy has been slain.
To be
Initiate
or
retreat.
not to be.
Request backup. Request backup. Initiate retreat.
One strike, one kill.
Launch attack.
Sayang, nahuli nung tank.
Launch attack. Killing spree. Double kill.
Bawi tayo, bawi.
Precision and strength.
Sorry.
Ally has been launch attack.
Shout out sa inyo mga boss, lalo kay Bert na bagong dating. I love you, Sunset.
Ult is not ready.
Baka may lakas pa kayo dyan na magpuyat. Tara, laro tayo ba? Love you, mua chup chup.
Request backup.
And faster.
Initiate retreat.
Diba, di pa ako gumamit ng ng spell. Shout out kay Ma'am Jamil. Shout out din kay Ma'am Lucy.
To be or not to be.
Slain an enemy.
Fun is he?
Keep up the rhythm.
Thank you, Boss Bert.
Request
Nice set sa tank.
Understood.
Alam ko, i-hook ako nito eh. May plano yan eh. Oo, mag-hook yan.
slain. An ally attack.
Sabi ko na nga eh. Eh, ikaw yun? We,
Shut down. Enemy double kill. Killing spree.
Franco.
One strike, one kill.
Attack.
Understood. Faster and faster.
Killing spree.
Salamat, boss.
To be.
Turret has
Sorry. Hinahawakan ko pa kasi yung mic ay na ginaganon para marinig niyo. Bawi tayo, bawi.
request backup. Request backup. Our turret is under attack. Initiate retreat.
Wala, boss. Ano pa lang, epic pa lang to eh. Ano ko lang.
Speed,
Nag-focus kasi ako sa
precision,
Dota.
and strength.
Kaya, low rank, kababalik ko lang.
Initiate retreat.
Sorry. Ulit. Babawi na talaga ako.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack. Slain. Double kill.
Mamaya na pag ano, late game na lang.
Request backup. Sorry. Initiate retreat. Okay.
One strike, one skill.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy. Request backup. Request backup. Vision and strength. You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. You destroyed a turret.
Faster and faster.
Launch attack. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Request
Shout out
backup.
sa inyo mga boss. Kay Ma'am Maria.
Launch attack. Destroy the turret.
Keep up the rhythm.
Request backup. Killing spree. Request backup. Ally has been slain. Double kill.
Shit, sayang yung spell. Shout out sa'yo, Ma'am Maria.
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Wiped out.
Bawi tayo, bawi.
Launch attack.
Ito kailangan ko din to para sa ano, sa SS ni Odette.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
Thank you, Ma'am Maria.
Faster and
Launch
faster.
attack. Mega kill. Okay. Request backup. Request backup. You have slain an enemy.
Speed, precision, and strength.
Request backup.
One strike, one skill. Understood.
Request
Ambush tayo, ambush.
Request
Shout out, Ma'am
backup.
Jan.
Launch attack.
Keep up the rhythm.
Your team destroyed killing spree. Launch attack. Double kill. Triple kill. Maniac.
What the hell?
Attack. Request backup. Team
Thank you sa mga ano, naka-view, nanonood pa.
Launch attack. Team destroy the turret. Legendary.
Hindi kinaya, sorry. Ma'am, thank you, Ma'am Maria. Kay Chish, ikaw lang mahal ko. Grabe yung pangalan niya na. Thank you.
Initiate retreat.
Shout out sa bagong dating kay Nacho. Ayan, full build na. Papalag-palag na mga idol.
faster and faster.
Ally has been enemy substitute. Ally has been. Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Speed, precision,
And right back. Launch attack.
to be.
Bantay lang tayo dito, bantay lang ba? Baka biglang may...
You have slain an enemy.
Keep up the rhythm.
Rampage. An enemy has been slain.
Sayang. Kagi, sobrang late na ng mga kasama ko.
Ally has been
Thank you.
slain. Double kill. Launch attack. Attack the Lord. Killing spree. Shut down. Double kill.
Bawi tayo, bawi.
Out. One strike, one kill.
Tapos na pala. Tapos na pala.
Victory!
Thank you. Salamat sa mga nag-i-stay pa rin dyan. Ito nga pala yung setup ko dito mga idol. Ito pala yung setup ko dito. Pasensyahan nyo na ako, baguhan pa lang kasi.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banned.
Pick lang tayo, tas ihi ako saglit.
Your team is picking.
Ano, ilalaban pa rin natin. Ano ba? Mag-adjust na tayo.
I'm bound by nothing, be it
The
family
enemy
or
is taken.
destiny.
This time,
Welcome to the greatest
The
magic
choice
show
is
of all
mine.
Pick a
time.
hero.
Ready, go!
Thank you. Love you, so. Ano gusto nyong pick natin mga idol?
The enemy is
some
picking.
fun.
Pain is the proof that I'm still alive.
Will fall
Your
prey
team is
to
picking.
shadow.
Gagi, Lailia pa, nag-autopick. Ihilang ako, ihilang.
For honor!
Yeah, shout out, wala top.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
I'm definitely not a crybaby. You know, magic will deeply connect us all. Phew! You will join me in the adventure, won't you?
Amazing!
Come on, let's play
Sasayaw
some
na ba to?
please. Come, let me show you some magic.
Pag ako naka-savage dito, sasayaw talaga ako dito sa harapan nyo.
Launch attack! Has been slain.
We can be good
Gagi,
friends,
hindi
indeed.
ko alam mag-Lailia talaga. Shout out Mix.
Adults are so bored. I don't want to grow up.
An enemy has been slain.
Kill, siya
You will join me in the adventure, won't you?
Launch attack!
We can be good friends, indeed.
Uwi tayo ng bahagya. Shout out sa mga bagong dating.
Come on, let's play some games.
Gather up the turtle!
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Phew!
An ally has slain the turtle.
Adults are so bored.
You have slain an enemy.
Kita nyo ba yun mga idol? Fuck ng shot.
Well played.
Eme lang.
Phew! Ha! You know, magic will deeply connect us all.
Siyempre, eme lang yun.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm definitely not a crybaby. Come, let me show you some magic. Ha! 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 We can be good friends, indeed. Ha!
Launch attack. Launch attack.
Nagsiatrasan na sila, diba? Wait lang, hindi ko pa kailangan yung mamaya pa. Yun. Ay! Sorry.
You know.
Wala nang like.
Launch attack. Enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Shoutout sa mga bagong dating dyan.
Double kill. Killing spree.
Salamat sa suporta nyo mga idol, kahit baguhan pa lang tayo dito. Tulong na ba tayo sa baba? Nasa tingin nyo? Nasa tingin nyo? Baka may pwedeng kaduo dyan. Pagkatapos nito.
Request backup. Killing spree.
Thank you. Shout out kay Badat.
Adults are so cool.
Mga bagong dating dyan. Shout out.
Shut down. Unstoppable attack.
Push na.
Join me into adventure.
Lipat tayo sa agad.
Destroy the turret.
Dudurugin ko kayo! Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo! Dudurugin ko kayo!
Double kill.
Kala nyo ha? Pero wala na akong buhay guys! I'm dying!
Let me show you some magic.
Sabi ko sa inyo eh! I'm dying eh!
Let's play some games.
Shoutout sa inyo mga boss! Kay Sheesh, kay Kring, Badas, and buha ka ng shit
We
na
can be
pangalan yan.
good friends, indeed.
Tulong kahit saan. Ang pangalan ko yan. Tapos na yun. Tapos na tayo sa push.
Double kill.
Last push. Mage, nagpo-push.
You will join me into adventure, won't you?
Your team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Shoutout mga boss. Mimo, Rotigi.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Salamat sa support nyo kahit baguhan
You
ko
know.
dito ha.
Magic, we're deeply connected. Oh,
Legendary. Launch attack.
come on. Let's play some games.
Kita nyo ba yun? Kita nyo ba yun mga idol?
Adults are so cool. I don't want to grow up.
Walang buhay yun ha. Argus kayo. May kasama pa.
Come. Let me show you some magic.
Pero ako'y walay life na.
Ult is not ready.
Pero papalag pa rin.
I'm definitely not a crybaby.
Hi sa inyo mga bossy. Hi.
Killing spree.
Hi. Shararararaw.
See ya!
Kita nyo yun ha, wala akong life pero ang lakas ng loob ko. Ang lakas ng loob ko. Kita nyo ba? Like that one, no? Fucking shit yan, no? Pero, nakawala akong Nakita nyo naman, napagamit pala ni Estes yung Argus. Shoutout niya mga boss. Hi.
Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Bawi tayo, bawi.
Initiate retreat.
You know.
Launch attack.
You will
Launch attack.
Walay na silang live. Nagsibak na sila.
Launch attack. Killing spree. Our turret has been destroyed.
Back na. Walay na rin akong live. Tapos yung si Argus nagpupush na sa taas ba? Shoutout sa nga, lalo kay babae nanay ko. Tapos kay Aido, kay Jaide. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss. Alam namin babae nanay mo. Steven, shoutout.
Request backup.
Shoutout sa'yo, Daniel.
Ally has been slain. Unstoppable.
Kabonak naman, sisimulan, di tatapusin.
Double kill.
Sira ulo ka talaga.
Shut down.
Hi sa inyo. Martin Siabu, shoutout sa'yo, bossing. Shoutout.
Come. Let me show you some magic.
Mag-log
Gather at the
na
Lord.
tayo.
You know, we're deeply connected.
Legendary.
Saan na ba? Jordan, huwag niyo sirahin yung Argus! Masirang ulo kayo! Siyempre, magbuhay yan! Masirang ulo talaga kayo! Ano ba yun? Halos wala silang live! Pero namatay ako!
Turret is under attack.
Shout out kay Martin Cabo,
Launch
kay
attack.
Jan,
Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
shout out sa'yo, Jason. Yung mga bagong dating dyan, shout out. Thank you kahit nanonood nila. Maraming pumunta niya.
Alex is so bored. I don't want
Mega kill.
Nabulong ko yun.
Double kill.
Wala na pala.
Wipe out.
we can be good friends. Indeed.
Ally
Shout
has
out kay
slain
Kai
Lord.
Fukamachi. Wakikichi.
Come.
Ally has been slain. Launch attack. Killing spree. Team double kill. Launch
Upos na
attack.
sila! Upos na sila! Mag-set up lang kayo dyan! Mag-set up lang dyan! Para pagdating nila! Upo, kailangan naman po dyan! Ang kulit mo naman mga mare! Mga kumpare ko! Ang kukulit nyo naman! Huwag magtirahin yung Argus pag nag-SS dahil wala kayong palagyan! Ang kulit! Parang sinakaral! Pero kita nyo ba yun? Kita nyo ba yun? Lakas ng loob po kahit wala ang buhay. Palag pa rin. Kita nyo. Diba? Wala akong health pero pumapasok pa rin ako sa taon. Boss!
Victory!
Katapos mo na tulog na tayo, gagi. Lopet. Andito na naman si Boss Bert. Shout out sa'yo, Boss Bert. Kahit baguhan pa lang, salamat sa support nyo. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay dyan? Lapag nyo yung ano nyo mga idol, yung ID nyo at sa next game invite ko kayo.
Please ban a hero.
Invite ko kayo mga idol. Sino bang ano ngayon autoban talaga na hero?
Is banning. Your team is picking.
Ang lakas ng sound ng Mobile Legends, hindi ko alam i-adjust.
Experience the euphony of suffering.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
is online.
Please pick a hero.
Chivalry is dead, and I will revive it.
You got a good taste. The enemy is picking.
Mga walang kwentang hero ang gamitin natin.
Your team is picking. You should be ashamed for not trusting yourself.
So, who's next?
The enemy is picking.
Shout out sa inyo mga boss. Thank you. King Joker, shout out sa'yo. Salamat sa support nyo.
Flow from my spear.
Hindi siya totally nag-ayos. Medyo nagagamay ko na ng bahagya yung Gagi, lowbat na. Last game na, matutulog na ako. Pero kung may maglapag ng ID dyan, sige. Hindi mo na matutulog, tara laro. Shout. Pa-flex daw kay King Joker. Yan yung ID niya, 660676816. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
To Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Never seen someone handsome with one eye. Hey! Ah! Hey! Universal gravitation determines planetary interaction.
Balak pa akong huliin ah. Thank you, King Joker. Naka-standby ka pa rin dyan.
Hey, I'm here, big guy.
Kala ko meron pa, tutulong sana ako eh.
Yes, Cyclops.
Lang tulong tayo sa baba.
Launch attack. Backup.
There is movement.
Tutulong ako sa baba, ako namang kawawa. Ako namang kawawa. Sabi, tutulong ako sa baba. Ako namang kinawawa. Buka ka ng shit yan. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, patay na ako. Oh, shoutout sa inyo mga bossing, sa mga bagong dating dyan. Hi.
Request backup.
Kay John, kay Tokwalang ko, kay Your BF Yuray.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Shoutout sa inyo mga boss.
Never seen someone handsome with one eye.
An enemy has been slain.
Stars are my eyes.
Lang boss.
Universal gravitation determines planetary interaction.
Thank you. Parang naka-standby pa rin si ano dyan ah. Sino na to? Si King Joker. Thank you idol. Thank you. Baka may mga exam pa kayo ah.
Request backup.
Naka-double mage kami tuloy. Hindi pa nag-adjust yung S5.
Launch attack.
Lupit ko.
There is movement.
Request
Oh, shout out sa mga bagong dating. Kay Boss Randy, kay Your Bia. Ay, kanina pa pala.
launch
Hi sa inyo mga boss. Ay, thank you.
He's an astronomer.
An enemy has been slain.
No. I don't wanna die. But you want to die? I'm here to die. To kill you. Oh shit. Oh shit. Kinay-S pa ng isang kasama ko. Gagi. Thank you mga bossing. Thank you. Baguhan pa lang kasi tayo dito. Avendano Raven. Shout out sa'yo, boss. Medyo delay. Doc EJ. Shout out sa'yo, boss. Doc.
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill.
Push mo na dyan.
Understood. Gather up the turtles.
magpapain ka. Sirang ulo to.
Planetary movement. Give me magic.
Ay! Wait lang. Ako siguro yung dahilan. Sa church tayo, lobat na tayo eh. Lobat na. Wait lang.
An ally has been slain.
Gather at the turtle!
Church na tayo, lobat na tayo eh.
Hey, I'm here, big guy.
Thank you bossing, thank you sa sa patuloy yung pagsuporta mga
Planetary movement. Give
takbo.
me magic.
Don't worry, I've got your back.
Sorry, babawi na talaga tayo. Ay gagi, 3 na pala yung death natin. Ang ibabain.
An enemy has been slain.
Pag ako nagbubad na dito, seryoso na talaga ako.
Stars are my eyes.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain. Well played. Mega kill.
Shoutout sa'yo, Boss Andrew.
Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Yes, Cyclops is an
Kawawa
astronomer.
sa akin mamaya late game.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Run!
Killing spree.
Nice one.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Nice one.
Launch attack. Unstoppable.
Hey,
Ay! Sorry. Sorry ulit.
I'm bleeding.
Shut
Thank
down.
you sa 2K heart natin.
An enemy has been slain.
Thank you idol, thank you.
Launch
Baguhan
attack.
pa lang kasi, pagpasensyahan nyo na. May mga kailangan pa siguro akong ayusin dito, like yung mga alam
Where
nyo na
there's
yun,
life, there is
mga
Mega
effects
kill.
na sound.
Gather at the turtle!
Tapos
Attack the
camera
turtle.
set up. Tapos ito siguro cable nito para nakarelax lang ba ako dito.
never
Medyo
seen someone
lumalapit-lapit pa
handsome
ako
with
sa
one
akin.
eye.
Attack. An ally has slain the turtle. Well played.
Universal gravitation determines planetary interaction.
Basta yung ID mo, add kita idol Duo tayo next game. Next game. Baka mamayang
Hey,
gabi
I'm
siguro.
here, big guy.
Naantok na rin kasi ako eh. Dire-diretso na rin yung live stream ko. Iba yung tinamaan. Laro tayo Pink Joker mamayang gabi. Tulog lang ako ng
Universal
bag.
gravitation determines planetary
Wala
interaction.
kang tulog eh. Kahapon pa ako dito, babad sa PC. Sige idol.
Killing spree.
Wiped out.
Anong oras na ba? Gagi, mag-aalas
Team
4 na pala.
destroyed a turret.
Stars are my eyes.
Well played.
Where there's life, there is movement.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ayun na naman! Nahook na naman! Bakit? Mangibabain yung score ko! Kahiya! Shoutout Jackie, shoutout!
Shut down.
Sasayaw na ba?
Double kill. An ally has been slain.
He's an astronomer. Planetary movement. Give me magic.
Kaya yung last na game ko talaga.
Shut down. Attack the Lord. Launch attack.
Never seen someone handsome with one eye.
Lang nagpupush yung Mia.
Our turret has been destroyed. Launch attack.
Hey, I'm here, big guy.
You have slain an enemy. Sorry.
Shout out sa mga bagong dating kay Piol, Abdela,
Where there's life, there is movement.
Proud sa inyo mga tol.
Run! Run!
Nahuli yun, nahuli yun. Nahuli yun. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, push na to. Inaantok na talaga ako. Inaantok na talaga ako. Tapusin na to, tapusin na to.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup.
Never seen someone handsome with one eye.
An enemy has been slain. Well played.
Hindi naman na magiging sikat. Kumbaga, pan ko lang. Bahala na. Bahala na yung tadhanang mag-dikta kung saan ako dadalhin nito.
An ally has slain Lord.
Ayan na naman. Huli-huli na naman. Ang tagal ng respond.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Bale may Facebook page din pala tayo. Tapos sa YouTube. Kung ano yung pangalan ko dito sa TikTok, ganun din yung pangalan ko doon mga idol. Pa-support na lang
An
din. Thank
enemy
you.
has been slain. Launch attack.
Planetary movement. Give me magic.
Tapos na.
Launch attack.
Tapos na to sana, pero hindi kaya. Wala, nabuhay na yun.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Ay, kaya yata. Kaya pa yata ng bagya. Kaya pa. Oh, kaya pa. Kaya pa. Diba? Thank you mga idol.
Victory.
Slept na din si ako, naantok na din. Thank you sa mga nag-stay pa rin dyan. Nyo, balang araw baka makakapag-send na rin ako sa inyo ng mga load ganun. Pasensya na, baguhan pa lang kasi dito eh. Sa mga gustong makakita siguro ng setup natin, ito papakita ko sa inyo. Para may clue din kayo kung sakaling gusto nyo rin mag-live stream. Para may clue din kayo. Ito yung system natin. Tapos ito yung monitor. Bali naka dual monitor tayo, kaso hindi ko na inopen yung isa. Ginagamit ko lang yung isang monitor kapag ang live stream natin is dito sa PC. Pero ngayon gamit kasi natin itong cellphone, kaya isang monitor lang ginamit ko. Pwede rin naman gumamit ng ng phone to phone, kaso hindi ako sanay. Tsaka parang mahirap aralin, pero kung trip nyo siguro talaga, kayang-kaya nyo. Kaso ako kasi hindi ko kayang aralin yung punto ko. Ano yan? Sige idol, wait lang. Copy paste. Copy ko lang. Wait nga, may aralin lang ako saglit. Kung paano yung ano. Mga idol tulog na. Sige, King Joker, ay wait lang, drop ko yung ID ko, wait lang, para screenshot nyo na lang, tapos stick ko rin yung
I am
ID
the
ko.
moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Yan yung ID ko. Yan yung ID ko, idol. Yan. Thank you King Joker. Thank you. Salamat din sa support nyo
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Ano, maglalaro ka ba tayo? Di madami yung viewers. Ano na mga idol, next time na lang. Laro tayo kapag. Good morning night everyone sa inyo. Babush!